I'm still seeing downside in Bitcoin, potential for 12, 13,000, potential for 9,000. That's part of this bigger bear cycle that we're in.
In the world of finance and investment, Gareth Soloway is a highly respected trader known for his expert trading strategies and unwavering dedication to excellence. In this video, Soloway will discuss the current state of the Bitcoin market. He remains bearish and shares his view that the bear market rally will continue until Bitcoin surpasses $30,000. Soloway believes that Bitcoin's bear market could lead to a low of $12,000 or even $9,000. If Bitcoin stays above $30,500, the market can anticipate prices going up, but this level is a make-or-break point. According to Soloway, Bitcoin has the potential to become a significant asset in the future with regulation, but for now, it is not. Soloway also suggests that Bitcoin could see a significant increase in value if it manages to break through a crucial level, potentially leading to a target price of $29,975. If the bullish trend persists, Bitcoin may aim for the psychologically significant $30,000 mark. Soloway mentioned in his previous interview that I would say you got to give it another 3 years or so. We got to get through this area. We need transparency with regulation. Investors need to know if their money's safe.
If we look at the Bitcoin chart very clearly here, you're in a range, 30,500, which, by the way, I told you guys for the last month, for the last 2 months, we could get up there. That's your max upside in the near term. That's exactly where we got to over here. We pulled back to the low support of 27,000. We went up. Now we're hovering here. Which way breaks? That's what I'm watching. As a technician, it's which line breaks. Do we break to the downside? Do we break to the upside? Whichever way we break, that's the way we're going to continue in the near term. A break of 27,000 sends us to 25,000. All right, a break of 30,500. There's this upsloping trend line right here. We would go attack that probably around 32 to 33,000. All right, I'm still favoring the downside. I still think this is a bear market rally. If we look at 2018-19, you had multiple 100% rallies of 3,500, even as much as a 200% rally, and ultimately we still went down and retested 3,500. So I'm not buying it yet. I know the masses would disagree with me. That's okay. That's been my life story with making big calls. The masses disagree. We obviously know the outcome of those.
Coinbase staking platform has endured a $367 million net outflow of staked Ethereum since April 12, as withdrawal requests including reward withdrawals and full exits outpaced new deposits, according to a Dune Analytics data dashboard. After a month of strong performance, the network's price rose to $2,127 following a successful Shanghai upgrade. However, if the price slipped below the $1,900 level, it would be a significant decline. The Federal Reserve's decision to raise its benchmark interest rate by 25 basis points on Wednesday had a slight effect on Bitcoin's price, but it managed to claw back its losses and settle around $28,634 according to CoinGecko. Ethereum, on the other hand, pushed higher after the Fed's statement, reversing its course and reaching $1,886, a gain of 1.2% in the past day, according to CoinGecko. The market for these assets is naturally volatile, and prices can go in either direction, meaning both increases and declines are possible. This year, Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained roughly 70% and 50%, respectively.
All right, lastly, I want to just look at Ethereum here. Ethereum, you can see had the big pop above, then we came right back below this trend line right here. We retested, we're now coming down. There's a new trend line to watch in the near term on Ethereum. If this line breaks right here, okay, and I'm going to drag that out, you can see that line right there connects through this low and this low. If that line breaks, and notice it's a parallel with the one above, parallel lines are really important in technical trading, then you're headed down, likely a stopping point around 1,700, and then ultimately 1,500 would be your next spot. All right, so again, on the upside, your $2,125 is your resistance. That's your double top. That's your high pivot. That's what you're watching for. However, all right, I have gone long and short Bitcoin 100 times in between the bull market top and where we currently are, long and short. In fact, more trades on the long side. Because again, a good trader, you're neither biased to one side or the other. You trade the freaking levels. That's all there is to it. If you have support and it's a multi-factor support, you buy the support. All right, you get the bounce, you exit, you say thank you very much. If it hits resistance and you have a multi-factor short signal, you short it and make money to the downside. That's how you make 100 times more than these hodlers that go long and just forget about it. Yeah, sure, they'll wake up with a nice chunk of change. I will have 10, 100 times more than that by the time I get to that same point by trading the levels. All right, that's just the facts. The charts show it. The returns show it.
Central bank digital currencies differ from cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum in that they are not decentralized and are instead backed by the reserves of the central bank. Depending on the design of the issuing central banks, CBDCs can be either account-based or token-based.
Go to Bitcoin, we're going to talk crypto. But the bottom line is, no one else is talking about this, but I'm here to tell you that the decision by the judge in the Ripple case is already been made. It has already been made. It was probably made 6 months ago. The U.S. government is not allowing it to be made public. The U.S. government is not giving any clarity on regulation to Coinbase. That's why Coinbase is suing the SEC and threatening to leave the country. Why is the government doing this? The answer is this. The government is doing it for the same reason China did it. All right, now you might be saying, what the heck, China? China's doing the same thing? And the answer is this. Remember back when China basically banned Bitcoin? Why did they do that? Because they were launching their CBDC, the digital yuan. They wanted the digital yuan to get a foothold in transactions and be the king, be the top player in the CBDC, in the digital currency realm. Now that the digital yuan is being used actually as a reserve currency in trading, but with some of China's partners, they're now opening the doors to Bitcoin again. China's smart, all right? Whether you agree with them or not, they're smart. They understood that they had to make sure that the CBDC, the digital yuan, had the foothold. The US government is essentially taking almost the same play structure and essentially saying, okay, we're not going to ban Bitcoin, but we're going to keep things so fuzzy in crypto until we launch our CBDC, so that our CBDC will be used by big institutions and ultimately be used by the masses over a lot of these other digital currencies. That's the game plan right now. I'm going to tell you straight up, this show is called The Game Plan. That is what's going on. Once we get the CBDC to be launched, I guarantee you that within a week, a month, you will have regulation on crypto unveiled, the Ripple decision will come out, all that stuff.
Soloway has expressed caution regarding the recent surge in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto markets. According to him, this surge is likely just a bear market rally. He has also emphasized that cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, are speculative assets that can experience significant price fluctuations. Soloway believes that for Bitcoin to indicate a bull market, it must surpass the $30,500 mark. We invite you to share your thoughts on Soloway's perspective about Bitcoin and Ethereum's current performance in the comments section below. For more daily dose crypto news, check out these 2 awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.